Hi, welcome back to first revision video of chapter 5. Hope all of you are in a good health. Today I'm going to discuss some important facts of chapter 5 and show you practically so that you can understand. First of all, open the Excel sheet. In the search bar, going to write down the Excel, and you can see once I entered, you can see the Microsoft Excel 2010. So in this chapter, you will learn use the Microsoft Excel 2010 and click on the open. And when I open the first screen, you can see the name of the workbook, that is book 1. Right. I'm going to copy some data from others. See, and just going to copy the select of the data, Control C, and this way going to Control. Now you can see you are able to. We can also increase the length of the cell, and this way it is now it is visible. So one common you can see when I have when you enter the text data, default it is left align, right? This is the left align, and you can see where when I'm going to enter the numeric data. For example, I'm going to write down the 12. This is numeric data, and alignment of the numeric data is right align. So whenever we are going to enter any numeric data, text align right. So left align text and the numeric is right align. Now, how to save? Go to the file menu. Just save the file. Click on the save option. You will see the save as dialog box will appear, and you can select the location where you want to save your data. Even you can, it is D drive. You can create a folder. Just going to create a folder, and now you can use the S and inside this you can write down a meaningful name, and this way we are going to create the info and click on the save button, right? And you can also, if you want to make another copy and in the different folder, you can also click on the save as option so that you can make another copy. If now we have I have saved the file in the D drive. If you just want to keep it in another folder, you can also click on the location and you can keep another file wherever you want. So and just press this button. So this is the save as option, right? Now you have learned first of all how to new options. You can see this is the blank document here, or you can also use the sample document. Sample template you can see here. You have various inbuilt template. See here the billing statement. This one is the blood pressure tracker, expense report. Data is already, you have a various design sales report. I'm just going to see the preview here. Here you can select time card. Once you click on the time card, personal monthly budget, or you can choose the blank document. So go to file, new, and click on the blank document. Just see Once you click on the blank, select the blank document and click on the create option. You can see the name of this workbook. This is the workbook 2. Default name is book 1, but when you're going to create a new, just see again, this is the book 2. I'm going to create again the new option and blank document and click on the create. Now you can see the book 3. So every worksheet when you are going to workbook has 3 sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. Can we change the name of the sheet? Yes, you can just double click and you can write down the change the name. Right? Also, can we add new sheet? Sheet 4? Yes. Once you click on this icon here, you can see you can sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet. Can we delete the sheet? Or if you just want to delete this one, sheet 6? Yes, now you are able to delete sheet. Right. Now, what is the use of the option open? Open. We can just go to file menu and click on the open option. Here you can open any file which you had worked earlier. Simply select the file. For desktop, how about this folder? You select the folder and click open. This way you will open your last file or any file which you had already worked on that. Right? This option open. And also the shortcut key CTRL plus O. I'm just going to press CTRL plus O. You can see now open window appears where you can select the location. This D drive I have worked on, created the folders, last 7 folder, and now you can see. You click on the open. This way you can open the existing one, can create new one or save, or you can also save. Also, you learn how to edit the data. First of all, click on the particular cell. There you can change the data partially, or you can edit the cell contents quickly. Right? Also, when you want to change the content using the formula bar, when you click on that particular cell, it appears in the formula bar. Here you can just want to cancel here option, or you can edit and just if I just want to and click on the enter key, or you can just this icon. So this way you can edit your data. Now another important point, how can we select the entire worksheet? You can use this option here, icon, this select all, or you can use the Control plus A. This way you can select the entire. Also, we can select the entire column using the click on the column heading this way. So now column A is selected now. Once you click on the any, you also learned how to increase or decrease the column width. You can see the icon if you click on this one. And how another important point, how to select a particular row. Similar to that column heading, you can also click on the row number 2. If I just click on their row name 2, this way you can select the. How can we move to the last row? For this, click on the CTRL plus down arrow key. CTRL plus down arrow key. See here the last row, that is the 10,48,576. and move to the first column. You just need to move to the first column. You can use the Control plus Home tab, right? Similarly, how can we move to the last column name? Use the CTRL plus right arrow. So you can see last column name XFD here. Then come to the home, press Control plus Home. I hope it's clear to all the points which I explained. Thanks for watching the video.